Hello there. Welcome to another day of the guest bath, small bath demo. Today, I'm removing that tile. Now, some of y'all might like this tile, but I don't. It doesn't fit our style, but I also think that what I chose and what we're doing for this design is going to be better for whoever buys this house next. So, let's jump in to getting this bad boy off the wall. Also, just wanted to thank y'all for being here, watching. Make sure y'all subscribe and let me know what y'all think of this tile. Alright, let's jump into it. You might be thinking to yourself, why are you using the sledgehammer so lightly? Why don't you just smash it? Well, a few months ago, I was helping a friend destroy a bathroom with a sledgehammer. And the first place that I hit was right by the electrical panel, like literally right on top of it. Didn't know it was there. My friend knew it was somewhere by, but I hit it. It didn't cause too much damage. Actually, nothing was really wrong. That was about it. So I was a little scared to just break stuff and ruin the house. Then I got some confidence under my feet and, took it down from there. 5 minutes into it. Hello. Look at this. See this? Oh. What do I do about that?
What happened?
There's like cockroaches in a corner in there.
How many?
Like 10 at least.
Just sitting in there?
Yeah.
Ew. Did you kill them?
I don't know what to do.
Wasp spray? Yeah, what is a wasp spray?
I don't know.
Ah!
No, I hate this. Nah. Just gonna try to get the other walls down. Alrighty. First off, we have cockroaches. Second of all, I broke my toilet. I'll show you in a second. We got all the major stuff out. Now for some cleanup and getting the bottom down, or getting the bottom out, and look at all the trash. The next thing I'm doing here is putting in more studs for the walls. I need to bring the walls out some because the tub is smaller than this gap. So it needs to be flush against the wall, and that's what I'm doing. Cut number 1205. Hello. I am removing this toilet. Here. I hit it with a sledgehammer on accident and broke it into 2 pieces, and I cut myself earlier on it. I've been cutting myself a lot lately, but not like that. So I'm gonna remove it, and we bought a new toilet for $100. That's a bet. So let's see how this goes. All right, first thing is turning off the water. So let's do that. And then we gotta disconnect the hose. Well, let's drain it first. Oh shit. By the way, this is what I did to it. You see that? It's like the whole half of the bowl is just Dunskies. Also, I got soaked on that water. Alright, now we disconnect the water and the hose. I mean the top part. Removing a toilet is very simple. It's just removing these 2 screws on the bottom jiggling it around a little bit, cutting off the caulk that's there, and then taking it out. After you take it out, you're going to want to plug the pipe with something. I have some paper towels that I just wadded up and shoved in there so that the sewage gases wouldn't come out, and it worked pretty well. Now, after destroying the shower and the walls and accidentally destroying the toilet but taking it out, now I'm ready for the next steps, which is putting in the tub and then going on with the tile and the rest of the stuff. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see more content that is DIY home renovation, make sure you hit that subscribe and check out the rest of the videos in this series and the rest of my channel. So, I'm Chris, and I'll see y'all out there.